Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to import NFTs to your MetaMask wallet in 2025 step by step. Now, MetaMask now supports NFT viewing on both your mobile application and on the browser, but the process slightly differs depending on your setup. So I will guide you through everything clearly. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end. So first of all, you just have to either launch your MetaMask application or you can open your MetaMask browser extension. Now, when you open your MetaMask browser extension, it will come here something like this. So over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply change the network. Make sure that you are on the correct network on which you have your NFT. Most probably you are going to get it on the Ethereum mainnet, but if it is different, you can click on the option of this network icon here in the top left hand corner of the screen. After that, you can either add the network or enable the network or basically change the network. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be keeping it on the Ethereum mainnet, but as I've told you earlier, you can also change the network over here and make sure that it is the correct one. Now, once you are here on the network, by default, it is going to show you the tokens. But right next to the tokens tab, you are going to see the option of NFTs. Now, this is the section that we want. So once you click on the option of NFTs, it is going to ask you to secure your account over here first. So if you haven't already secured your account, you will have to do it. Then you just have to scroll down and click on the option of import NFT. Over here, you need to provide your NFT address and then you can select the token ID. So whichever you add over here, it will activate this import button in the bottom. So you just have to click on the option of import and your NFT will be imported here in your MetaMask account in no time. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.